Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to duplicate a video on the OneDrive portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365 as well as a video. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Enter to open up Google Chrome. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to office.com and make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to applications, more applications, and then navigate to OneDrive. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to admin, my files, click on this. Let's now navigate to a folder 2024 that was created in the previous tutorials. We should then have some content such as an image, video, and document in this folder for us to then work with. Let's now click on the video, top right. And now let's copy to. We can now go back to my files. Let's now create a new folder. Let's now call this folder Videos 2024. Click on Create. We can now copy that video in this folder. Click on Copy here. The video itself has been copied. We can now see that copied one item to Videos 2024. Now let's go to Home, My Files, click on Videos 2024, and then we have that video that was duplicated from the 2024 folder to Videos 2024 within OneDrive via Office 365 using a Mac computer. We can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.